Hi, my name is James Van Duzen. I'm the project specialist here at Ground Control Systems, and today we're going to be covering the installation of the Offset Vertical Bike Rack VR2. The Offset Vertical Bike Rack VR2 is a two-bike system that allows for a high-density configuration inside a lot of bike rooms. Now we're going to get started on how to properly install the VR2. So the tools necessary for this install, first and foremost, your measuring tape. Secondly, roto hammer bit, 1/4 inch. Your strike anchor kit, 16-ounce hammer, and cord roto hammer. And most importantly, so you don't have a crooked rack, make sure you have a bullet level. Now we're going to cover the ins and outs on how to properly install a single VR2 into a fully concreted wall. In our densest configurations, typically we recommend a setback off of any wall or obstructions of 20 inches. In this instance, we're going to go ahead and reference the bottom of the VR2 at 45 inches. We have plenty of space overhead here, and in some cases we'll bring it down to 42.5 inches. If there's a ceiling height, it's tough to fit a bike. Now that we have our reference points marked on the wall, we recommend 2 people for the actual installation of the VR2. While one person holds the rack steady, the other should come over and mark the holes for where the strike anchors are going to mount into the concrete wall. Now we'll move the rack from the wall, drill out the rest of the holes, and then mount the rack to the surface. So now that we have the holes completely drilled out, we're going to take the strike anchors, which are sold separately, and put them into the wall to secure the rack. And there you have it. Now you know how to install an offset vertical bike rack VR2. Now that we successfully installed the offset vertical bike rack VR2, we'd like to cover a few other services that Ground Control Systems can offer to help with your projects. We offer consultation, site visits, and installation services. Check us out on groundcontrolsystems.com.